put in Roll and Grow 3 years ago. In that time, we've had, a lot of success with it. The nicest thing is that we can control the temperatures for each individual crop within the house. As a small grower, we have a lot of different crops in the same house and can put specific temperatures for each one. One of the things probably that we notice the most is our crop times. We're able to reduce our crop times in the spring, sometimes as much as 2, maybe even 3 weeks. So you'll see, product moving out of here easily in 6 weeks after it's transplanted. For the grower, it's really helpful because they can, increase the temperature of, just transplanted items, and then, slow it down as they get closer to the finish. Having that flexibility, helps us control disease better, and at the end of the day, it gives us a better crop. Hi, I'm Patrick from Michael's Greenhouse, the general manager here, and a customer of Biotherm. We use the Roll and Grow because it's a low temp condensing boiler in the winter when there is no crop in the house. But all we want to do is maintain a 35 or 40 degree temp to keep any water from freezing. So we do that a lot. The installation was really easy. It was actually almost comical easy. Years ago we've done other installs prior to the Roll and Grow, and it took us months to do an acre of greenhouse, and I believe that when we did the 2 acres here, it took us 2 days. All of the greenhouses are set up the same with heat retention curtains, and we actually backed off all of our hoop houses, which are using blowers, and went everything to the boiler heat in the larger houses. And our consumption was 30% less than the prior year, even though the temperatures were almost 20% higher. And we know that the efficiency of the condensing boilers, is so true to what it was sold as. When we did this Roll and Grow installation, I believe I got 75% of it paid for by the USDA. Even the boilers, the condensing boilers, between the power company and the USDA, you can normally pull off 50% of them at the least. Biotherm helped with all of the engineering requirements that the grant people asked for, and did that without any question or difficulty. It was easy. Working with Biotherm is actually a pleasure. Everybody knows who you are. The technical support, for some reason, they have the ability to know what you're talking about, even if you don't know what you're talking about. Some days I call and I have I'm like, that thing up in the air that's square and it makes this do that? And they're like, yeah, exactly. I'm having trouble with that. Can you help me? And they'll walk me through whatever I need. Even some of our newer boilers have the ability for them to see what's happening with the boiler at the same time, and can walk us through almost any issue that we have immediately. So it's a pleasure.